Hey, this is Matt from Parent Presents. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Vaccum luxury wine opener gift set. So I have all the products right here in front of me, and I'm going to be showing you how to use them. So first, we have our bottle of wine. Let's use the foil cutter that comes with this. So it's got some wheels there. We'll just squeeze this onto the top, spin it around a little bit, and then voila, that is off. You can see we got our cork there. Now, next step, it is time to uncork the wine. So we'll use our electric cork opener. So you're gonna push it. You're gonna push this button down all the way. It's gonna get, when it gets to the top, it's actually going to. There's gonna be a little resistance there, and then it's just gonna pull the cork out for you. So you're just gonna keep pushing this button. Make sure you hold the bottle firm, and it's gonna pull the wine out. So you can see the cork's getting pulled up until it pops out. Okay, so it's actually out now, and then voila. And then when you want to release the cork, you'll just hold down the top button to release the cork, and then now the cork will be coming out. Boop. There you go. That is very easy to use electric wine opener. Now we're going to use the aerator. So this is the aerator right here. I already rinsed it through water. So to clean it out, wine aerator attached, get some aerated wine. So it's going to start spitting out wine. You can press the button when you're done. You can see the bubbles actually forming right there with the color. That's where the bubbles are being made. Okay, so you can see very nice and bubbly aerated wine. Okay, nice. Now to take this thing off, we'll just take it off. You will want to clean this out, so you'll want to actually run this through water, probably spit the rest into the drain, into the sink, and then run it through water, or you know, finish the whole bottle of wine and then clean it out after. So the last part I wanted to show you guys was the electric vacuum stopper. I just had to charge it up. So you're just going to push it down, and then once it starts going, it's going to detect the bottle. Once you get it in enough, it'll start going on its own, and then it's going to vacuum seal this. So when the party's over, it will seal up your wine, keep it good as new. You had to like play with it a couple times to make sure you have it in there. It takes a little bit of time, but I'll let it run, and then I'll pop it off again. You can hear like the nice cork pop at the end to know that your wine is nice and preserved, nice and sealed in there. Another feature, this set does come with a nice little bag like this. Whoop. So, you know, if you want to take this stuff on the go with you, you can bring it to a friend's house. It's always great to have, you know, this stuff on hand, the aerator, the wine opener, even the sealer. Makes a good gift for a wine lover. You know, everyone could use another little wine gadget. Also, this is really cool as well, handy guide. So it just stopped, so that means this is vacuum sealed. I'm gonna pop it off and you're gonna hear that cork sound. Whoop! So that was sealed nice and tight. That was the set. Thank you to the company for sending us this set to test. That's what you're gonna get.